Hello, Megan here, curator at Gresson Hall Farm and Workhouse with another Make It Monday. Today we're making nature diaries. We've been inspired by these fantastic scrapbooks in the collection. To make your own nature diary, you will need some paper, card, scissors, a pencil, a blob of blue tack and some string, ribbon or wool. First of all, cut out 2 identical card covers. We've used an old cereal packet. Choose what type of paper you want to use inside your diary. Draw around the card cover to make sure the paper's the right size. And then cut it out. Mark where you want to join your pages. Place your blue tack underneath your cover where you want the hole and push the pencil through. Keep punching holes in all of your pages. Once all the holes are punched, thread your string carefully through. Then tie your strings. Make sure it's not too tight. Trim the strings neat and tidy. And there we go, a fabulous nature journal ready to be filled in. Check out our other resources for ideas on what to put in your nature diary.